Hello all, welcome to platform Decode German. In my previous video, I have discussed numbers in German from 1 to 20. In today's video, we will be discussing numbers from 21 to 100. So let's start. Before starting numbers from 21 to 100, let us see some basic rules which we should remember. Basic rules or basic things which we should remember when we are dealing with numbers in German. So first of all, umlaut. Umlaut is basically two dots over these three vowels in German alphabets. Umlaut is two dots over these three vowels in German language. So umlaut is there only in two numbers in German numbers, on 5 and on 12. Only in these two numbers umlaut is there in German numbers. Next, 1. 1 is eins. Eins. But this S is there only when this 1 is a single unit digit number. That means whenever we will be using this 1 in 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number, then this S will not be there. Right? Suppose for example, this 1 is eins. Suppose I am writing 21. So it will be 1 unit digit for numbers from 21 to 99, for all the numbers from 21 to 99. Like in English numbers we follow the rule. Firstly we write 1's digit, then comes the 10th digit, starting from left hand side. So it is like this, 10th digit and then comes the unit digit in English, but it is just opposite in German numbers. Firstly we need to write unit digit and then und and then 10th digit. What we were doing from 13 to 19, I have already discussed that in my previous video. So we were doing unit digit and then 10th digit from 13 to 19, and from 21 to 99 unit digit plus und plus 10th digit. So und will be there in between, right? So 21 will be unit digit 1 plus und plus 10th digit 20. So 1 is eins basically, but as I already said that this eins, this S will be only there when 1 is a single unit digit number. So here it will be only ein, then und and then 20. In German numbers there will be no space and everything will be in small letter. I repeat, in German numbers there will be no space and everything will be in small letter. So this is the rule for all the 2-digit numbers only. In 2-digit numbers it is just vice versa to that of rule in English. Firstly we write 10th digit and then 1's digit. But in German 1's digit and then 10th digit from 13 to 19, and 1's digit plus und plus 10th digit from 21 to 99. So I repeat again, 21 unit digit 1 und then 10th digit 1 ein and not eins und 20. Let us take another example. For example 43. So it will be 1's digit 3 plus und plus 10th digit. 10th digit is 40. So it will be 3 und 40. 40 is 40. I will be coming to it. 40 40. So in this way we can write all the numbers from 21 to 99 in German. Now, another thing to remember is asset. Asset is only there in one German number, that is 30. 3 sis. 3 is 3 and then sis, 30. Like in English, 3, 30, 4, 40, 5, 50, 6, 60, t. Similarly, in German, sis. So 30, 3 is 3, sis. 40, 4, sis. 50, 5, sis. 60, 6, sis. This I have already discussed and I will be discussing today also. So 50, 5, sis, 60, 6, sis and so on. So asset is there only in one number, that is 30. Rest in all other numbers, this asset is replaced by set. This asset is replaced by set. So this is only there in 30. Now 6 is basically 6. 6 is 6. But this will not be there in 16 and 60. This S will not be there in 16 and 60. So it is same. This S will not be there. So Zex, basically what it is, unit digit and then tens digit. So 6 plus 10, 6 is Zex, 10 is same. But this S of Zex will not be there. So it is Zex same. Similarly in 60, it should be Zex cis, but this S is not there. And also we can relate it like this, that already this Z is giving sound of Sa. That's why this S is eliminated, just for your understanding. But it is there. Now 7, this 7, this En of 7 will be there everywhere else except 17 and 70. In 17 and 70, this En will not be there. It should be 17 is 7 plus 10, 1 unit digit, tens digit. So 7 plus 10, so 7 plus same, but this En will not be there. So it is 17. Similarly in 70, 17. So in today's video, we have discussed numbers from 21 to 99. I am repeating again. Before that, I have discussed some basic rules which you should remember when you are dealing with numbers in German. They are, umlaut is there only in two numbers, 5 and 12. S of 1 will be there only when one is a unit digit number. Rest, whenever we will be using it, then it will be ein and not eins. Then S set is only there in 30. Rest in other numbers, it is replaced with set. Next was 6, Zex. This S is not there in 16 and 60. Rest everywhere it will be there. 7, Sieben. This En will not be there in 17 and 70. So after that, 40, 50, 60, just add cis. Like in English we add T. 40, 60, 70, 80. Similarly, so cis we add 4, fear cis. 50, fume cis. So fear cis, fume cis, sex cis, sieb cis, arc cis, and so on. Now 100 is 100 or 100. 100 or 100. Now how these numbers from 21 to 99, they follow just a reverse rule or vice versa to that of rule in English. Firstly in English is unit digit and then tens digit. If we start from left hand side, right? So it is tens digit and then unit digit if we go right hand side from. So unit digit in German, rule for two digit number is just opposite. Unit digit, then und, then tens digit. So suppose for example 21, just now I have discussed, 1 will be ein and not eins. So unit digit 1 und 20. So ein und 20. 43, unit digit 3 und 40. 3 und 40. Now this will be the rule from 13 to 19, only und will not be there, unit digit and tens digit. From 21 to 99, und will be there. That I have already discussed in my previous video. So in next video, in part 3 of numbers, I will be discussing numbers after 100. Thank you and be with us for updates.